I've been using the Insta360 Luna Ultra for a few weeks now and have even used it to film a few videos for this channel. I made a video previously on the official accessories that came out with this camera, but since then, I think a lot of us have been waiting for these third-party companies to come out with some accessories too. I was lucky enough to have Telesin send over a package with a few of their accessories for the Luna Ultra. Well, actually they sent me filters specifically for the Luna Ultra, and then some universal accessories that'll work on other cameras too, like the DJI Pocket. But we're making a Luna Ultra video here, so yeah. Anyways, let's get started with my favorite accessory that they sent me, their auto-open mini tripod. This is a simple product, but it's easily the most useful. It's a pocket-sized 2-in-1 grip. It attaches by the 1/4-inch mount to the threaded handle or the battery handle and extends the grip. It honestly makes the whole setup feel a little too long, especially if you're using this with a battery handle, but it isn't too bad. It gives you that extra reach, which makes a big difference when you're vlogging, by opening the frame up just a little bit more without needing a wide-angle lens. But the main reason it's my favorite is because how it transforms instantly into a tripod. Instead of having to pull the legs apart manually, you just tap the release on the bottom and they auto-open. This makes it super quick to set your Luna Ultra down onto a table or any flat surface when you need to film yourself, or if you just need to set the camera down. Definitely a lot better than that paperclip tripod that's built in on the threaded handle. Out of everything that Telesin sent me, this is the one I've been using the most. I practically leave it on the Luna Ultra. The next accessory that I use a lot though are these filter kits. Here we have an ND filter kit, and this other set that includes a circular polarizer, a variable ND, and a diffusion filter. Let's start off with the ND filter kit. This ND filter kit comes with an ND4, ND16, and ND64. Now if you're new to ND filters, the classic line is that they're sunglasses for your camera, and that's basically what they are. When you're filming outside on a bright day, there's too much light hitting the sensor. To keep your footage from being blown out, you'll have to crank up the shutter speed, or have the camera do it for you if you're in auto mode. The problem with this is that your shutter speed gets too high. It destroys that natural motion blur and makes your footage look choppy and stuttery. Normally you'd want to follow the 180-degree rule and keep your shutter speed at double the frame rate, or as close to it as possible. So if you're filming at 30 frames per second, typically you'd want your shutter speed locked at 1/60. By popping one of these filters on, you block out that excess light so the camera can shoot at a lower shutter speed, giving you that smooth cinematic look. This kit comes with 3 different strength filters depending on how much you need to cut the light. And in case you were wondering, yes, you can stack these filters, which is perfect when you're trying to film directly into the sun. Please don't actually do this. But you can stack the filters in case you do need a bit more strength. The next filter set we have here is a 5-stop variable ND, a circular polarizer, and a 1/4 strength black diffusion filter. Let's break down exactly what each filter does. First up is the variable ND. We just talked about ND filters in the last part. Well, this is a single filter that covers that entire range, and then some. You just twist the outer ring to adjust the strength from 1 to 5 stops when needed. You might be wondering why not just use a variable ND all the time instead of fixed ND filters. I'm not going to get too technical here, but the short answer is that fixed ND filters generally give you a better image quality. By the way, this normally isn't an issue when using variable NDs on cameras, but since the Luna Ultra has 2 lenses, you'll have to dial in each ND for each lens individually. So if you're someone who uses the zoom feature a lot, you could mess up your shot if you adjust one but forget to adjust the other. Next in this set is the circular polarizer. The main job of this filter is to cut out reflections, so if you're filming through a window or looking down into water, popping this filter on and twisting it will literally make that glare disappear. It'll also make those blue skies and green leaves look more saturated. To get the most out of this filter, there's the finger gun technique. You'll want to point at the sun like you're shooting it, and then rotate your hand around that axis. Wherever your thumb is pointing is where the polarizer will have the maximum effect. So pointing your camera in this direction will have the most impact. And the final filter in this set is the 1/4 strength black diffusion filter. The image out of modern cameras is incredibly sharp, but sometimes that sharpness looks a bit too digital. This filter takes that digital edge off. It creates a soft, subtle glow around bright lights and naturally smooths out skin tones, giving your footage a much more cinematic film-like vibe. Love these filters, and I usually bring both sets with me when I'm going out to film with the Luna Ultra. The problem is how to bring all of this along with me, and luckily Telesin actually sent me a couple of cases to hold everything. First is this carrying case, which is a super clean option that uses a simple 2-tier layout. The main section is precision molded to hold the camera body itself. The Luna Ultra will fit in here with or without the threaded handle attached. And even better, it can hold the Luna Ultra with or without the protective case on. This is a universal case, so this will work with the DJI Pocket too. On the inside of the lid is a mesh pocket that can hold small accessories like cables and memory cards. This case is perfect for keeping your Luna Ultra safe when tossing it into a bigger backpack. Next is the carrying bag, which is an all-around protective crossbody case. This case is designed to be able to carry the Luna Ultra across your body, off your shoulder, or around your wrist. The inside is lined in plush velvet material to prevent scratches. There's also a slim mesh pocket on the inside of the lid for small essentials like cables or a cleaning cloth. Just like the previous case, it's designed to hold your Luna Ultra, but unfortunately it isn't long enough to hold it with the threaded handle attached. It will hold the DJI Pocket 4 with the handle attached though. Just keep this in mind depending on which camera you're using this for. The Luna Ultra isn't exactly pocketable, unless you have deep pockets, which I must say, must be nice. So if you're looking for a way to carry the camera around without a bulky case, Telesin has these camera straps. The last product we have here from Telesin is this quick release camera strap. It comes in two colors, black or khaki. You can use it to carry a standard camera over your shoulder, across your body, or you can even detach the end to turn it into a wrist strap. Alright, this strap works great for standard cameras, but I couldn't for the life of me figure out how to get it to work with the Luna Ultra. I think what they were going for is a strap similar to the PGYTECH Pocket Series camera strap. Now this strap from PGYTECH is perfect for the Luna Ultra. It uses these anchors to connect to your camera. One attaches to the protective case and the other to the Luna Ultra itself. Then when you want to film, just take the camera out of the case and start filming. The case stays connected to the strap and out of the way while you're shooting with the Luna Ultra, which is still attached, to save you from drops. From here, you can even detach it at this point from the anchor or from the strap itself where it turns into a wrist strap. So yeah, if you're looking for a camera strap to use with the Luna Ultra, I definitely suggest the one from PGYTECH. This one from Telesin is nice, but it's going to be better for standard cameras, not so much for the Luna Ultra. I'll have everything linked in the description, and if you buy directly from Telesin, use my code ROMITRALPH to save 15% off your total purchase. Also, make sure to hit that like button and consider subscribing to learn more about shooting tips on how to film directly into the sun. Seriously, please don't do this and then come back complaining in the comments. I'll just ignore it anyways.